Believe it.
Kirk State, 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 Kirk State.
Yo, what up, man? It's your man Kirk State. You know what I'm saying? So today I was on Instagram, so I'm gonna get to it real quick. And I seen a little post by MC Shan. You know what I'm saying? I follow him. That dude's a legend. Of course, we all know Queensbridge in the house. You know what I'm saying? Marley Marl, you know what I'm saying? All of that. But anyway, so I'm watching this man always dropping knowledge and on something such as, you know, you got to listen to people that done stuff, been there, done it. And he was talking about music, but to me, you know what I'm saying? Not only just the music, man, you got to listen to people that done stuff before you, came before you, you know what I'm saying? People that been through it, right? Like Jay-Z always try to preach about, you know, he been through such and such, and you would learn from it, you know what I'm saying? So some of y'all don't have the ear for that. You might want to think you got a little new twist on it. You want to throw your little piece in there, but listen to this. Listen to the older cats first, you know what I'm saying? Listen to the elders first. Listen to the OGs first, you know what I'm saying? Or the people that been there, done that, you know, listen to them, okay? People that applied their, you know, had their life experience. That way you don't have to go through the pits and the downfalls, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, my man's right, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not even going to keep talking. I'm just going to go ahead and get into the video that, you know, that sparked me to even just to make this, you know what I'm saying? So I like when people kick knowledge and then it enlightens me, and then I want to enlighten other people, you know what I'm saying? That's how I am, you know what I'm saying? So, and then not only that, I chopped up his voice a little bit, made a beat from it. But let's let the man drop knowledge, and then we're going to get right into the beat, and then I'll see you. You know what I'm saying? All right, peace.
Your boy Shizzle, one time for your mind, two time for your soul. You know the shit that I be saying? Y'all motherfuckers write the material for me. I say something, and I get a motherfucker that ain't never made a deal in his life, never signed a record deal. Nigga, who the fuck are you? I don't even fucking know your name. Who the fuck are you? So if I'm telling you some shit that I done lived through, motherfucker, save your bullshit ass opinion and learn something. Don't fucking say, oh shit, this is the way the business goes. Motherfucker, what deal you ever signed? Nigga, I don't even know your name. Who the fuck are you? Like I just said. I just love you fucking clowns. No, Shan, it's supposed to be. How the fuck you know? Best thing you ever did was fucking pull out your fucking computer, turn on Fruity Loops, and make a fucking beat and call yourself a producer. That's how ignorant you dumbass motherfucking New Jack niggas is with the bullshit. You think because you made a beat, you're a producer? No. That ain't how it works. Why do you think Quincy Jones motherfucking was a producer on a lot of shit? He didn't make the shit, but he made the shit record. That's what a real producer does. Most of you niggas out here is just beat makers. Let me not fucking crush your motherfucking ego. But that's what the fuck you are. Just beat makers, nigga. You ain't no real producers. And that's why you sell your motherfucking beats to niggas for $200 and they make $200 million off that motherfucker. Cause you ain't listening to what your boy Shizzle be saying. You two be too busy listening to your motherfucking niggas that be talking about and acting like they know. You're doing too much motherfucking barbershop knowledge, nigga. You can't get the real deal in the barbershop.
You know what I'm saying?
All you gonna get is niggas' opinions flying around because everybody in there getting their motherfucking haircut. The barber making his money, you spending your money, and all y'all niggas is doing is none of y'all motherfuckers got a deal. Fuck you mean? So it's just barbershop talk. So I don't listen to you barbershop talking motherfuckers when y'all try and tell me about my business and how it should be and how this nigga did this. Stop riding another nigga's dick and counting their fucking money.
Woo! You know what I'm saying?
That makes you a dick rider, nigga. That's like a motherfucker asking you, motherfucking, when you watch the porno movie, do you like the nigga with the big dick or the little dick? Nigga, if you answer that question, you're fucking bad. Alright? Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Because you answered the question wrong. You should motherfucking answer the question, I don't watch no man's dick. It's your boy Shizzle, one time for your mind, two time for your soul. Stop trying to tell me about the business that I've been in for damn near 30 plus years and giving your opinion. And you ain't never signed a motherfucking thing but the back of your check that another nigga gave you. Oh, I gotta cash my check today. Where you get it from? Oh, my job. Shut the fuck up.
Save your bullshit ass opinion and learn something.
Kirk State, Kirk State, Kirk State, Kirk State, Kirk State.
Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you? Nigga, 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 nigga.